meron tayong another guest na syempre naman magbibigay na naman sa atin ng information about or mag-share ng kanyang experience as a businessman. Okay, and of course, with us, andiyan na ba? Andiyan pa ba si Sir?
Ulit. Mahirap talaga
Para
pagka
tayo,
remote ang ating
yes,
guest.
okay
no?
na ba? Wala pa. Okay, para tayo up and down tataguan.
Peekaboo.
Ayan, oo. Ayan. Nandiyan na ba? Si Sir Mark? Okay. So anyway, si Sir Mark is isang CEO, founder ng Links Digital. And ang location niya ay nasa Palawan. Ako, pag nagpunta tayo ng Palawan, pwede nating
Palawan.
kamustahin or talaga makapanayam ng face-to-face sa Sir Mark.
Okay.
At ang mga products niya, ang services niya ay digital marketing agency. And alam mo ito, Ma'am Irma, siya ay isang awardee ng ayan. Pakita natin yung video na pinadala ko.
Yes, let us just present him sa ating show. Ayan po. Mahirap ang line ngayon kasi nga nagbagyo, no? Siguro talagang inaayos pa rin ang mga telecom agencies, no? Yung ating pong mga linya dyan. Mahina po ang signal ng internet. Okay.
Yes.
Our most outstanding affordable digital marketing services of the year. Congratulations to Links Digital. Once again, congratulations Links Digital for being the most outstanding affordable digital marketing services of the year. Next up, our
Ayan.
Alright.
Congratulations kay Sir. And I
Congratulations
think one of
po.
the golden achiever din siya. Oo, ng Philippines Finest.
Business Award. Tama
Yes,
ba ako?
oo. Most outstanding digital affordable digital marketing company. And of
Wow.
course, andyan na ba si Sir Mark? Yes, wala pa si Sir Mark.
So, nakat yung line niya, no? Kanina
Oo.
naka-standby po siya, pero nakat po yung line niya.
Diyan na?
May chance pa ba na makabalik si Sir Mark? Okay, so, habang inaantay natin, no, na magkaroon pa rin ng pag-asa na maka-online si Sir, no? Okay, salamat muli sa mga naging guest natin ngayong umagang ito dito sa show na Shoptertainment. And
Okay.
ayan, papasukin po natin. Talagang pinag-aadya na makapiling pa din at makapanayam natin ang ating guest.
Okay, hello there. Magandang tanghali po, Sir Mark.
Hello po, good afternoon natin.
Ayan,
Good noon
ako,
po sa ating
pasensya na dahil meron tayo mga technical problems. But anyway, so alam mo yan, Sir Mark, no? Yung mga pinagdaraanan
Yes po.
namin.
Good morning
Ayun.
po, Sir Mark.
Ayan, at sana, abuti na lang naiintindihan tayo ni Sir Mark, no? Anyway, si Sir Mark Santillan, CEO, founder ng Links Digital. And welcome po sa Shoptertainment.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. It's
Okay.
nice and it's a pleasure to be here.
Wow.
Okay, sir. Oo, tell us more about Links Digital po.
Ayan po. So, first and foremost po, I started as a freelancer. So, naging freelance graphic artist po muna ako before I came up with Links Digital. Siguro po more or less sa 2 years din po before I came up with Links Digital as a free virtual assistant. And then, during pandemic, doon ko po na-realize na there are a lot of businesses that is really suffering and really need to cope up po sa during pandemic, especially marami pong nagsarang mga businesses. So that's why po kaya siya tinawag na Links, because we would like to help businesses in transitioning from the traditional business to the digital era na po, or the digital marketing na po. So that's why kaya po siya Links, kasi we wanted to link the target market to your business po.
Wow
Yeah,
naman,
perfect.
nakakatuwa. So, from coffee, beauty, and link.
Yes.
Oh, 'di ba? Okay. So, Sir Mark, hindi ka ba nahirapan na iayos tong company na ito? Ano yung mga challenges po?
Well, ano po, very challenging po siya in a way na siyempre po during pandemic, maraming mga businesses ang nagsara. So, ang pinaka-risk po doon is they really wanted to invest po sa digital marketing. Although gusto po nila yon, but of course, siyempre po nagsara sila, marami pong lack of mayroong sa finances when it comes to like that. Kaya po ang pinaka naging challenge po namin talaga is to acquire clients during pandemic po. Pero sabi nga po nila, yung first client yun ang mahirap i-acquire. So the moment na we acquire our first client po, which is a restaurant po siya na nag-transition from physical restaurant, nagkaroon po siya ng delivery parang services po sa kanya ng restaurant. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang naging business.
Okay, so hindi naging hadlang, no? When you
Yes
have a
po.
business and being managed digitally, no? Mas maalwala sa isang negosyante po
Yes,
ba
ma'am.
yan, Sir Mark?
Yes, actually very helpful po ang digital era ngayon, digital marketing ngayon kasi like po sinasabi ko sa mga client ko po is we have to maximize using the social media. Kasi po there are lots of even po mga alimango po ngayon nasa online na po, 'di ba? So why not?
Yes.
Sabi nga po nila if your business is not online, then you're not doing business.
Ayan, maaari niyo po bang ano?
Marami na pong Yes, ma'am. Ano po?
Okay, tuloy niyo po, sir. Sorry for the interruption.
Marami na pong businesses ngayon ang nagta-transition from traditional business to digital kasi nakikita po nila yung malaking potential ng digital marketing na malaki po ang natutulong ng online platforms for their sales, yan po sa day-to-day sales nila, day-to-day operations po nila sa kanilang businesses.
Wow, totoo naman talaga yun. Kasi pagka nandun ka pa din sa lumang style ng pagnenegosyo, no? Kahit nga nagtitinda po ng mga nasa kalsada, may cellphone na sila eh. And even the way of, paying the goods, no?
Yes.
Cashless na po
everything is
tayo
online na
ngayon.
po. Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, Sir Mark, very successful ang business mo ngayon because it is very timely.
Yes, ma'am. Opo. Kasi po sabi nga po sa mga ibang client ko, as long as nandyan sila, as long as marami pong businesses, as long as may mga businesses, we will still exist.
Wow, naman.
Okay, sir, sa maraming nanonood sa atin ngayon, baka magtataka sila, ano yung services na ino-offer ni Sir Mark? So, ano nga ba yung ino-offer ninyong services?
Sample, yes, what?
So, in Links Digital, we offer varieties of various services such as we do logo making, graphic designing, social media management, and marketing. We also have website design and development. We also have company profile creations. So, very important po yun. And then, we also have the product photo shoots. We also have VTRs, doing VTRs, and a lot more.
Okay. Sa laki po na negosyo ninyo, ilan po ang staff ninyo sa ganyang klaseng negosyo?
I have dalawang staff. Actually po before, nung wala pang AI, I have 3 staff. Ngayon po, 2 na lang po sila. I have 1 graphic artist and 1 FB ad specialist.
Tama po ba yung narinig ko nung meron ng AI?
Yes.
Okay. So talagang yun na talaga ang norm ngayon, ano? Nasisimplify ang trabaho because of AI.
Yes po, as much as I want to retain my staff. Of course, I'm also doing business, and in business we have to embrace change. So yun po, nung may AI, we have to embrace AI in our business also. So instead of me hiring a copywriter, kasi po yun po, gumagawa ng content, nag-hire pa ako ng gumagawa ng copywriter. So ngayon po, AI can do the job itself po.
Yes.
So, kailangan nang
ayan.
i-let go ng isa.
So, so ang best friend natin ngayon ay si Miss AI.
AI, yes.